Okay folks, today we're going to test this ultra rare find here. This is a 1965 Chevelle and El Camino factory AM/FM radio. This is the first year for the AM/FM model, and it is quite a rare beast. You can see the model number is 986203. You'll see that that is correct for the 1965 Chevelle and El Camino only. This is a very nice original piece. You'll see more in the pictures, but top and bottom covers are both quite nice. No major pitting or anything. It still has the multiplex eliminator plug there on the bottom. So that plug right there, that round plug, right now it allows the radio to work as a single channel mono radio. And it can be unplugged, and a factory multiplex adapter can be plugged in, and it'll turn this radio into a 4-channel stereo radio. So another pretty cool feature of these early Delco Chevrolet radios. Anyway, we're going to test this radio out. We have it hooked up to a 12-volt power supply, the correct 8-ohm speaker, and an antenna. And before we get started, let me tell you about AM here. I live pretty deep in a valley, and I'm testing this inside a steel building, so the AM reception is really weak. We'll get a couple channels, stations about the center of the dial on up, but it's not great in this test area, and that's how all the radios are, so it's not the fault of this radio, but just where we're at here. Anyway, let's test it out.
Of the evacuation.
So there's the station.
So,
and I would say there's actually more as a passenger share.
I don't want to ever see that again.
Not because
Actually, pretty good AM reception on this radio for where we're at here. Anyway, there's AM. We'll switch over to FM here. So now we're on FM.
Tap radio to listen to live radio stations from across the country.
But now I feel great. That's because
Lots of stations here. I'm skipping some of them as we go.
Esas señoras que andaban sufriendo.
Loan experts. Imagine what you can do with all the money you could save when you...
That pays you cash back.
Anyway, real nice reception throughout the dial here. Finally, I'll show you that the push buttons work. So I have them set above each individual push button now, and then finally I'll show you how to set one. So if we find a station we like, say we like this station, you pick any push button you like, you just pull out on it, if I can do it with one hand. Push it back in, then no matter where we go, we can come right back to where we were. Anyway, if you've been looking for a real deal 65 Chevelle or El Camino AM/FM radio, look no further, guys. This is the one. It comes with the inner and outer knobs, as you can see. The faceplate's a real deal, original GM piece. It's got some pitting on it, but nothing to write home about. If you do want a mint new face, I'd be happy to swap it out. I have a reproduction face here that's got really nice chrome on it. So if you'd rather have that instead of this face, just let me know and I'll swap it out. Anyway, really nice factory AM/FM 65 Chevelle and El Camino only radio. Don't miss it, guys.